Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this is a return from Todd in Lafayette, California. You might remember this is the unit that another shop made a pretty bad butch job out of, and I had to redo the whole thing and charge the customer quite a bit of money. Customer called and said that the 8-Track stopped working. I've had the unit back here for a couple weeks. I'm just now getting around to unboxing it. The 8-Track was working just fine, no problem at all, but just in case the switch that engages the motor was acting intermittently, there is an extra section of a switch that's not being used, so I went ahead and wired that in parallel with the tape activation switch as a backup. So what we're going to do now, we're going to run through just a real quick test of all the functions, because all that was reported was problems with the 8-Track. So let's make sure that the radio still works. Okay, no, don't want this stuff. Probably get nailed for copyright. Okay, probably won't get nailed for copyright on this one. So just check our speaker balance, all the way left, right. Okay, activate the fader.
Loudness on.
Whoop, wrong one. Let's try that again.
Fader adjust.
There we go. Okay, all the way front, rear. Okay, center them.
Fader set.
Okay, and that's the AM, or this is the FM.
See why 4.
So make sure the AM still works.
The White House's Jared Bernstein.
Okay, there's our AM.
He's explaining.
Make sure it still goes into Bluetooth pairing.
Commit.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, and make sure it still plays my commercial from a USB stick.
About to go golfing in Scotland or something.
Okay, there's that. Okay, and then the last, we're going to give the 8-Track a torture test. We're going to insert this tape a good 10 times. Make sure it activates each time.
Are you at certain part now to be appeased? Can you just sit back? No, we can't ask more to blow out about. That happens. So there, as an economist, so there I can't. I think I am happy. Not because of that. Okay. You're not welcoming Greg.
Okay, so I'd call that pretty flawless operation on the 8-Track part. So she's ready to go back. It's hard not to believe the customer when they say the radio works but the 8-Track doesn't, because even if they put a bad tape in there, they could still turn it up and hear the hiss noise, probably hear the motor running, hear the tape running inside the unit. So I've already socked the customer for a pretty good chunk of money. This is a supposed failure of an original part that I had to fix, so technically I'd be justified in charging a little bit more, but I'm not going to do it in this case because I've already socked the customer pretty well. And so we'll call it that. So thanks, Todd, for your business from Lafayette, California. Thank you guys for watching and listening. This could have been another false warranty return. As I said, it worked fine right out of the box. It didn't falter one bit, but I did go ahead and put another switch in parallel as a backup to the tape switch. So if that switch should ever become intermittent, the other switch will handle the current anyway and go ahead and do the switching. So thanks again for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.